The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Alamance County and northeast Iowa, northeastern Wenatchee County and northeast Iowa until 4:45 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Crosse, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Crosse around 4:05 p.m. Waukon around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Highway 52 and County West 34, County Roads West 20 and A34, Locust, County Roads 52 and West 60, and State Road 9 and 245th Street. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Alamance, and Wenatchee.